Hello everyone, Jambo. Welcome back to the Swahili Edge. Go to channel for learning Swahili. And today, this video is for you if you're a beginner and you're looking for easy, essential Swahili words. I'm gonna give you 50 essential Swahili words that you need to know as a beginner Swahili student. This video is for you. Karibuni. If you've not subscribed, do not forget to subscribe, and then by the end of this video, you'll be able to understand words such as greetings, colors, numbers, family, and more. So grab a notebook and let's get started. So we'll begin very fast with the greetings and the common phrases. I'll begin with the easiest. This one you've had it before. Jambo. Jambo. This means hello. Hello. Habari. Habari. This also means hello or how are you. You could also use habari asubuhi for good morning or habari yako for how are you. Habari asubuhi, good morning. The response to this is nzuri. Nzuri. Nzuri means good. And then another one you need to know is asante. Asante. This means thank you. Another way you can say asante is nashukuru. Nashukuru. Or shukran. Shukran. This means thank you. The response to this will be karibu. Karibu, which means welcome. Which means welcome. Tafadhali. Tafadhali means please. Tafadhali means please. And then samahani. Samahani means excuse me. Kwaheri means see you or goodbye. Try saying every word slowly and then fast, and in no time you'll be able to know these words and to say them correctly. Move on swiftly to numbers, and so I'll give you just 10 numbers, the basics, 10 numbers. So number 1 is moja. Moja. Mbili. Mbili is number 2. Mbili is number 2. Tatu. Tatu is 3. Nne. Nne is 4. Tano. Tano, 5. Sita. Sita, 6. Saba. Saba, 7. Nane. Nane, 8. Tisa. Tisa, 9. And number 10 is kumi. Kumi. So repeat after me again slowly and then faster. This helps you in the pronunciation. Now let's learn colors. I'll give you just a few colors. White is nyeupe. Nyeupe. Black is nyeusi. Nyeusi. Red is nyekundu. Nyekundu. Blue is samawati. Samawati. Or you can just say blue. White, like I said, is nyeupe. Purple is zambarau. Zambarau. And brown is kahawia. Kahawia. I'll go to family. I'll go to family. So how do you say family? Family is really important in Swahili culture. Mama. Mama is mother. Baba. Baba, this is father. For sister, we say dada. Dada. For brother, we say kaka. Kaka. For ndugu. Ndugu, this is sibling. Wife, we say mke. Mke. Husband would be mme. Mme. And then shangazi. Shangazi is aunt. Lastly, everyday objects. Nyumba. Nyumba is house. Chumba. Chumba is room. Kitabu. Kitabu is book. Kalamu. Kalamu, that's a pen. Meza is a table. Meza is a table. And kiti is a chair. Chakula. Kiti is a chair. Chakula is food. There you have it, 50 essential Swahili phrases for beginners. 50 essential Swahili phrases for beginners. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, to comment, and to subscribe. For more Swahili lessons, also hit that bell so that you're notified when the next video drops. Kaheri.